Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word ethnic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She wore a beautiful, ethnic-inspired dress to the festival. The word ethnic refers to characteristics, traditions, or customs specific to a particular cultural or racial group, often associated with their heritage and identity. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.